Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this handmade headband for baby using my fabric flower tutorials. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. These are the materials we need to make this headband. I have made this tulle flower tutorial. You can click the link here. I made this flower using organza and tulle fabric. You can watch the tutorial here. For this mini ruffle fabric flower, you can click here. I made this lace applique using organza fabric and regular sewing machine. You can watch the tutorial here. For this butterfly applique, you can watch the tutorial here. I bought this piece of fabric, but I have made a tutorial for this. Because of the limitation that can be used here, I will write the link for this tutorial in the description below. And we are going to need a piece of felt fabric, an elastic band, and some tools like hot glue gun, scissors, needle and thread. First, attach the tulle flower and ruffle fabric flower. Attach this piece of fabric. Then, attach this organza and tulle flower. I will stitch this butterfly applique. Add a dab of glue. Attach this lace applique. Measure the felt fabric. And attach the elastic band. Our baby headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this baby headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.